Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every week. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another heavenly cake. One of the all-time favorites here in the Philippines, the BRAZO de Mercedes. BRAZO de Mercedes is a traditional Filipino meringue roll with custard filling and dusted with powdered sugar. The super soft meringue literally melts in the mouth and is balanced by the flavor of the custard filling. This recipe of mine is a little bit different in that, as always, I add extra flavors like real ube halaya and chocolate chunks or milk chocolate to make it even more delicious. I call this cake Ube BRAZO de Mercedes and chocolate BRAZO de Mercedes, two flavors of BRAZO de Mercedes in one recipe. Sounds delicious, right? Okay, we're going to start. The ingredients are, for the custard filling, we have 12 egg yolks, 1 pack of all-purpose cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and for the flavors, 1/3 cup of ube halaya, 1/3 cup of chocolate chunks or milk chocolates, Hershey's syrup, and the ube flavorade. For the dusting, we have 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. For the egg white mixture, we have 12 egg whites, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. We're going to start mixing. So we're going to start mixing the custard filling. First, you beat the egg yolks. And then add the cream. Then the cornstarch. Then the condensed milk. Then we're going to put this over a double boiler, continuously stirring until it is thick and creamy. Okay, we're going to transfer to the double boiler. Stir continuously until it is thick and creamy. Okay, it's done. We're going to divide this custard filling into 2 for our chocolate and ube. And then we're going to add chocolate for the chocolate custard filling. Half of the butter. And chocolate syrup. And for the ube, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of butter, ube halaya, and the flavorade. We're going to heat this again. going to eat this again. We're going to start mixing our meringue. But first, we have to prepare our pans. 2 pans, 9 by 12. You have to line it with wax paper so you can easily remove the meringue. Okay, we have 2 pans, 9 by 12. Set this aside. First, add the cream of tartar. Continue beating until bubbles are fine. When bubbles are fine, add the sugar gradually. There, soft peaks. And then fold. Stop when there's no more trace of cornstarch. Then we're going to divide this meringue into 2 for the ube and the chocolate. Going to divide into 2. Okay. And then for the other one, going to add the ube extract. And then for the chocolate, this is a delicate mixture, so you have to be fast and bake this right away. For the chocolate, we're going to pour this. You have to flatten the around. Then we're going to comb. Use this comb. And the other one for the ube. Okay, we're going to comb this. Going to bake this at 300 for 30 minutes. Try at 30 minutes. Our brazo de Mercedes is out of the oven. We're going to put the filling. First the ube. Remove the sides. That's with powdered sugar. Then put wax paper on top and invert. There. See how easily you can remove the wax? Nice. The other one, dust with powdered sugar so it will not stick. Remove the sides. Okay. Then invert. Nice. Then we will put the filling. Then roll away from you. Let it rest. Blend it all. There. Let it rest. So we have 2 rolls, Brazo de Mercedes. We're going to chill this. There you have it, our Brazo de Mercedes, the ube and the chocolate. We're going to cut the edges. See? there are ube brazo de Mercedes. Look how nice, and this is so yummy. We're going to cut the other one. Look at the brown color. The chocolate brazo de Mercedes. Look how nice. Okay, there we have it. Our two brazo de Mercedes, ube, brazo de Mercedes, and chocolate. There you have it, our brazo de Mercedes, chocolate brazo de Mercedes, and ube brazo de Mercedes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in my next episode. Enjoy!